Hello, I'm Alex from Tabbli.com. I'm no-code developer, and now we are looking how to make the side project. The general idea is creating the side project for existing project logistics marketplace, crane-locator.com, and this project, it will be new separate project. It will be a job board which is working for this industry. First of all, I will explain a couple of words about this worldwide project, Crane Locator. It is certainly helps market players to show and search special equipment by region, by geolocation, and by special parameters. So you can find everything, you can show and publish your equipment, and not only equipment, and also you can publish some company. You can see company by countries, by different equipment owners, by different services. All services are related to project logistics industry. It is working already almost 5 years, and we have too many requests from both sides about people, about professional guys. That is why we are thinking how to make it on Tabbli. Tabbli is no-code platform, so we are going to make it from the scratch. What we have at the moment is only a very draft description of requirements. It is not something very specific, so we can only speak about English language, and we have now some very approximate estimation and understanding about database structure, only based on some similar projects we can see now in internet. So what we should have, we should have some job categories. Not sure exactly which of them. We will improve it continuously, day by day. We will need companies with logo, location, description, some website, and some users should be management, should have some management for this company. We need the structure for vacancies. Each vacancy belongs to some company, to some category, to some geolocation. It should have some type, full-time, part-time. It should have some properties about salary, hourly based or monthly based, not sure exactly yet. It should have some short description, full description, some tags for filtration, for convenient filtration, and it should have some property like active, not active. Something very similar about candidates. It should have some category, some profession, name, some explanation about education, experience, some expected salary, some geolocation where people are located now, some type, expected type of work, CV file, and it also can be active, not active, and some structure which is connecting requests for candidates or for vacancy. Which features do we need? We need registration for candidates, for employers. We need some private area for them to be able to edit their profile. For candidates, they should manage their data. For employers, they should be able to manage their own company and vacancies of companies. Well, the separate project will be based on subdomain of crane-locator.com. Well, we need some database filling because it shouldn't be empty. We have already some vacancies and some candidates we can use already now. We are not sure about monetizing but it's not so difficult to understand. But we're thinking about some small pay threshold for everybody to avoid spam messages or something like this. Also, we have found a few different similar resources. For example, Indeed, it's well-known job board, so we can see some similarities here. Remote Circle is a very simple no-code platform, so we'll look for it also, how it works, and what is the best here is it is just very simple what we need now. So the challenge is to create our job board just from the scratch. We have to implement it to crane locator. We are thinking to make it a little bit similar, but logo should be different, color gamma should be also different, a little bit different, because it should be similar but a little bit different. We will think about the orange color. For design we will use existing design theme, which is very similar for what we are looking for. It has already everything we need in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Of course, the front-end part, it will be not exactly no code, but let's say it will be low code, because we will use some of existing blocks, because a lot of different kind of pages will be exist already. We have it in design, and of course we need our dynamic data for it, so we will go to the database and create all the database. So today is the day number 1. What we have now, we have created already the start page, and project is already working. But now what we can see only on the start page is just hello jobs crane-locator.com. So it will be working on this domain. Now it works on the temporary domain salejobs.tabbli.com, subdomain of Tabbli. And sorry, I forgot to explain a little bit about our idea. So we will implement some part of new project into existing project. So what we have on the our crane locator is just a tape of some blocks, different kind of blocks. Here we can see some equipment block, block of banners, a block of search company by parameters. So somewhere between we need some similar block to search vacancy or search candidates. We are not sure exactly do we need them both or only some of them, for example vacancies. We will try to understand, we will make experiments, and we will see how it will be working. Also, we are thinking about implementation of link for relevant vacancies or candidates for each equipment item. For example, this one is it should be related for any crane operators, for example, because this is a page of all-terrain mobile crane. And for each company we will need something like this. They can manage themselves own vacancies, but we need first something very similar. So what is already created? We are going to settings of new instance. This is a separate instance for exactly of this project. It has own separate virtual dedicated machine on DigitalOcean server in Amsterdam. It is already working. We will use only the English version, language version first, but it will be possible to add any new. But let's keep everything as more simple as possible and we will keep everything in English. We have only one section is job board. The job board is collection of data structure. If we will make something different but related to this project, we can create a new section, so it will be separated by different permissions for users. We have not yet user groups, but we will need them soon. Let's look what we have already as a data structure. We have categories. Only 3 categories is filled on. This structure is very simple, not something something complicated here. These categories will be used in companies, in vacancies, and in candidates structures. So we have companies. The structure of company, let's look on the property. So it has name, K is for internal using, geolocation, description, website link, and logo. So if we go to see the page of Sarans is one of companies, we can see something like this. So we are looking now at the admin area, where we manage everything about database, where we can manage everything about communication of people, about users' rights, permissions, everything. So it's for internal users, but we can use it for different purposes. Vacancies is a structure which is created with these properties. Category, company is a relation to companies, geolocation, min and max salary, per hour, per month. I'm not sure, maybe we will improve this structure. Even I'm sure we will improve and change it. We will change it on the fly, but for now we have something like this. And let's look on existing data. We have not too much. We have only 2 vacancies. We have created from the open public resource from Sarans company. So we can open each one of this vacancy. We can see job description. Very easy. We can create the new one. I will not do it. It's a little bit time consuming, but for now we will fill it manually. A bit later we will make some scraping of this data. This is open data, published data, so it will be okay if we will make some automation to publish that vacancies. And for candidates, we will invite people who wanted to search a job with crane locator. Well, this structure is already exists also. We can see this property. We have a name, K, relation to categories, education, experience, so everything what we have already discussed before, a little bit before. So today is day number 1. Today we have very simple project, and we will improve it day by day. What is also important is to see our files structure. Robots.txt is disallowing everything, so we should protect our temporary website to be indexed by Google or by other search engines. Our works is already started. Let's look how we will do it. I will keep my reporting every day about the progress of every day. Okay, thank you, bye.